wanna tell me why I just did the whole intro for this video only to check it and realize that I did it in slow motion and not normal video camera? Anyways, let's get right into it. Hi, I'm Kimani and welcome to my channel Hauling This Together. And if you're into personal growth, into getting your life together, or the occasional corny jokes, then you have found your people right here. So please stick with me. Because over here we're all about making progress in our lives and enjoying it, having fun while we do so. So for this video I'll be making I was about to say a detox juice, but that's not really what it is. It's an anti-inflammatory drink. Now, I've never made this kind of concoction before, so I'm kind of testing it out, but the things are good. The basis of this drink is from a detox water that I do for anti-inflammatory properties, and it has a lot of great things in there. The main thing that I did to change this is usually I would have that like on an empty stomach in the morning, just like, you know, to start boosting my body and get things flowing. But for this one I'm adding pineapples to it because I heard that pineapples are really good too, and so the aim is to have it as a drink, like day-to-day drink, and not so much just as a detox water. So we're about to do that. I forgot to mention, but I'm also adding some chia seeds to the drink because I used to have this chia seed drink in Jamaica that was really good, and I just figured I can make it at home with chia seeds. So I'll be adding pineapples and adding chia seeds to my usual detox anti-inflammatory drink situation. So stick with me and let's see how that works. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm not really planning on measuring much. I will be measuring like the black pepper, the cayenne pepper, and like the apple cider vinegar because I don't want it to be too strong. But everything else, to my detriment, I'm just kind of estimating and going with my feelings. Don't tell me my plan spoil. Okay, might not be all of it. I bought this pineapple about a week ago, and when I was cutting it I saw that there was a part of it that was like going bad, but after cutting deeper I realized that it was good enough, and so I decided to just continue. Anyways, I'm not going to talk too much through this video because everything is kind of self-explanatory. As I mentioned, I'm not really measuring much, so enjoy the video. Okay, so this part is the only part that I regretted because I've never used like organic natural turmeric before. I'm always using the powder, which I thought the powder would be more concentrated than the natural version, but apparently I was wrong. And if I was doing this again, I would have just used like maybe 2 or 3 pieces of turmeric because it was so concentrated. It gave it like a really bitter taste that was just too overpowering for me. And the fact that we're in winter, the pineapples aren't super sweet, and so it didn't really offset that bitter taste. And so I had to add sugar in the mix, which I wasn't planning on doing because if you don't know, sugar does contribute to inflammation, and this is a drink that I was planning on doing because of inflammation, to get rid of it or to reduce it in my body. And so adding sugar was a little bit like counterproductive, if that makes sense. And so I didn't really want to, but I had to because it was really unbearable to drink. I did end up drinking the entire jug in like a week, and so, you know, it wasn't sweet, it was just not bitter anymore. But I will be trying this again, but next time when I do it I will just be using like 2 pieces of turmeric. Anyways, this is the video. You can see what I'm doing. I don't need to talk or explain anything else. I just wanted to let you know, just in case you decide to try this, to use way less turmeric than I did here. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for sticking with me while I made my drink. That's it for right now. Just remember to do something today that will help you to be a little bit better than you were yesterday. Okay, that's it. Bye.